Well, I was actually cleaning my ensuite, and I always have CKNW in the background, and I started, the Angela Calla show started, and I stopped for a moment and thought, this is really relevant. I had been actually searching to renew our mortgage. We were dealing with a major bank, and I wasn't quite happy with what they were able to offer us and what we'd have to do in order to renew our mortgage, and also look at doing some refinancing of some debt that we've unfortunately come into. So I jotted down the email address and thought, well, I'll give it a try. I'll email them first thing in the morning and see what happens. So sure enough, within just a couple of hours of me emailing, John gave me a personal call and started off from there. So I was very impressed that they were able to contact me as quickly as they did. Because we didn't renew right on time, because we were trying to figure out what the best thing for us to do would be, is they increased our interest rate on a different basis, and we actually ended up paying almost $800 more a month on this mortgage that we were trying to renew. By joining the Angela Calla, or going through our mortgage with them, is that we can now see the light at the end of the tunnel. We're actually going to be paying off all of our debt. Not only that, but the amount that we end up paying towards our principal is so much more than if we were dealing through the bank. Like, we can see that we will be paying this debt off much, much quicker. The Angela Calla Mortgage Group was able to save me at least $3,000 in payments a month. But in saying that, that's just paying off the interest. So we weren't actually paying down our debt, but that is freeing up money for us to put towards saving or use in different ways, because we're consolidating our debt and actually ending up paying it off through our mortgage. Not all mortgage brokers are alike. And dealing with John at the Angela Calla Group, it wasn't intimidating. He made us feel really safe and secure, and that we're not people with this unusual high debt and mortgage. But we walked out of the office going, that feels really good. We really can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and we know that our best interests are in their hands, and he's going to keep in touch.